So today's video, we're starting off with a part install, which is for the STI again. This time it goes in the front. Right now I'm running a really clean look. There's no badging on it, but I always felt like I was missing something. So I really wanted to get an emblem for this grill. On the other grill I wasn't running an emblem because I took the grill thing off, and then plus the STI OEM one will not fit the aftermarket grill. So yeah, you either have to buy another one or I don't know. But I wasn't running the grill, and this one is running a grill, so I decided to pick up an emblem for it. Not just any old emblem. This one's gonna have RGB coloring lighting, so it's gonna be able to change the colors for the car. The emblem's gonna change colors, so that's pretty cool. I was just gonna pick up like a $30 one and just stick it on there and then just call it a day. But you know, I just want to try something different because I see people rocking them all the time and they look pretty cool. So yeah, definitely something I wanted to pick up. So yeah, now we got it, and I'm gonna install it on the car and see how it looks. But yeah, let's just go ahead and I'll open up the box. All right, don't mind the MBR box. This is for the WX, and we're gonna be installing that today, but it's gonna be on a separate video. So I'm probably gonna release these two videos back to back, so just be on the lookout for these two videos. But anyways, let's start with this little box first. This is what's going on the STI. So, comes with a little box. This one connects directly to the battery and to either the battery or a fuse box. I think I'm gonna see what I can do for that. And then this connects to the emblem itself. It is a quick disconnect, so that's pretty cool. Definitely needed that every time I take off the bumper. But here we are. This is the emblem. Looks pretty cool. And yeah, it's black, so it's nice. It's gonna look really nice, smooth. Yeah, nice. This is pretty clean. So yeah, we're gonna install this. Comes with double-sided tape, some screws, and a vacuum plate thing. Bracket thing in the back, so you can put it in the back. So yeah, simple install. Just you can use either the double-sided tape, or I think the double-sided tape is for this thing, honestly. And then this one has the screws. So yeah, should be a pretty clean install. So let me just go ahead and start removing the bumper and then figure out where I'm gonna wire everything. But yeah, it should be a simple install. Let me start off by removing the bumper. So we're gonna need a 10mm. I'm not gonna show you guys how to remove this bumper because there's plenty of videos on how to remove a front bumper. Just a bunch of puff clips and a bunch of nuts and bolts. That's it. But first we gotta start by removing my tow hook. Whoops. All right, let's go ahead and feed this through. I already made the little hole bigger because it does need to fit this thing right here. So yeah, made the hole bigger just so I can slip this through. So right here's where I want it, and then oops, and then this goes right here, and there we go. Boom. Looks leveled and everything. So let me just go ahead and get the back bracket. Okay, nice and tight. That ain't going anywhere. I'm guessing I could feed it through here. Alright guys, looks like it works. Just testing it out. That is bright. You can tell how bright it is by how much it lights up everything. Yep. I must say that is clean. Now I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount this box, because it is right there and it's in the way. But wired it up to right here, grounded it to right here, and then I used one of those quick fuses to mount it right here. All right guys, well I think I found the right fuse. I'm gonna be using this one right here. I already have my headlights tapped into this one, so I just needed to tap into the other one, and it works at night perfectly how I want it, because when let's say it's dark and the lights are on auto, when I unlock the door, all the lights are gonna turn on. The mirrors, the headlights, tail lights, and the emblem now. And that's only gonna happen at night, which I wanted it to. And if I wanted to run them in the day, just, you know, put the lights on daylight running lights, and then it'll work. But overall, watch, let me show you guys what I mean. I unlock the doors, and there it goes. Turns on with the headlights. So that's freaking sick. It looks freaking badass. Can't tell on camera, but damn, that thing is pretty bright. It's really bright, like it lights up my hand. See, that's how bright it is. Like, yeah, so it's gonna be sick, especially at night. It's gonna look awesome. Damn. But yeah, I finally have an emblem there. It doesn't look all just, I was gonna almost put it right there on the grill, but thank God I put it there, because it looks really sick. It looks way better on the front grill where it used to be, but I almost put it on one of the fog light bezels on that side especially. So yeah, that's pretty sick. So let me just go ahead and put the bumper back on, and that should complete this video. I need to figure out where I'm gonna put that box, because I do kind of want it just being able to remove and move off, because, you know, it's attached to this. They should have had that wire longer than this wire, because obviously when you take off the bumper, you gotta disconnect it, and if it's somewhere where you can't reach, or you remove the bumper too fast, it's gonna rip it right off. So I think I just might have it hanging there for now, just kind of like right there. And then this wire, I'm just gonna pull it like a little bit this way, just to be able to freaking disconnect it when I take off the bumper. But let me just figure that out really quick. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, for now, let's go ahead and put the bumper back on, and then figure out where I'm gonna put that box. And yeah, I might just attach it somewhere up here. That way when I take off the bumper, I can quickly disconnect it before it pulls the whole freaking grill thing off. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me just go ahead and do that, and we'll put it back on, and then yeah, and then I'll show you guys some more clips of it on the car with the bumper on. But yeah, let me just do that. All right guys, well there it is. I got it red, blue. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it on red. That looks sick as hell. It's all bright red. That's gonna be nice at night. That's gonna be good for pictures, man. I'm telling you, that's gonna look sick. If only I could do the front lights red too, that would be sick, just for the pictures. But yeah, definitely recommended. Simple install, easy install. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this install, guys. Hope you like this install. It was an easy one. Again, it's not much, just doing minor little things to the car. I might wrap it again, but that's probably gonna be like later, so stay tuned for that. But for now, yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with how the car looks. Definitely want more power though, so I've been thinking a lot of pulling the trigger on some E85 flex fuel kit, and with some other mods that I might need still. But yeah, definitely be on the lookout for more STI content, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.